Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with another special Amazon review coming from Source Infusion Nutrition. This is a pay-for video, so definitely check them out. Link is going to be down below. They are running a special right now. If you buy one, you get one for 5% off. If you buy two, you get 10% off. If you buy 3 of them, you get 15% off. Really great deal. And here's a little bottle you get. You get 500 milligrams per serving, 60 capsules, dietary supplement, advanced green tea, advanced weight loss, powerful antioxidant. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, we gotta get this little guy out of there. Nice and secure. Here we go. Good stuff right here though, that little guy. And this little guy. Packs a punch. And like I said, it will help you promote weight loss effectively with exercise and diet. This does not give you the jittery feeling from coffee. Your anxiety doesn't affect it. Heart rate does not affect by taking these. These are smooth, clean, really good stuff though right here. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. Like myself, getting older, I need all the extra help I can get. I'll be taking these through the month of September. I already took one in my unboxing video. Seemed fine with me. Definitely excited to see how this works. So, like I said, everybody needs help these days. This would be a good way to start. It's clean, it's safe, and it's a very powerful stuff right here. Antioxidant. Clean all the bad stuff out of you. Here's all the good stuff at the end. Made in the USA, New York. Shout out to New York. Awesome, awesome. Green tea, 90%. Dried leaves. All that good stuff. Kids, do not eat unless it's like 18 and up. I may say 16 because that's when they start getting more active in the gym rooms and stuff like that. Weight class and stuff. So, morning, 15 milligrams of caffeine per serving. So it's like 1/6 cup of coffee. So, but with less, no jitters, no stuff like that. Definitely the way to go for the new year coming up. Start your New Year's resolution off early. Like I said, they got that good sale going on right now. Buy one, 5% off. 2 for 10% off. 3 for 15% off. And shout out to Source Infusion Nutrition. Advanced green tea formula. Powerful stuff right here. Good. A lot of great benefits this will do for you. Not like the others. Not like that Alex Jones stuff. This is way better than that stuff. I tried that once and did not like it. This is definitely the way to go. So, like I said, the link is going to be down below, and they got the good sale going on. You get 60 capsules in this little bottle. It has many great benefits, so why not? Try something different, YouTubers. Stay healthy as we get older through this adventure of life. So thank you guys over at Source Infusion Nutrition. You guys have a good night. Be safe, YouTubers. And most likely I'll see you back probably in a few hours in the morning. Other than that, have a good night. Hit the like button. Share the video. Take this with you to the gym. Leave it into your gym locker, your work area, work locker, your office, your home, your bathroom, your car. Alright, YouTubers. Hit the thumbs up and see you on the next time.